So that is what you said before, Doctor. It's a very brief about 80 antidotes. So next is going to be 5 deterrents or 5 pitfalls or 5 fallacies. The second, that long list. In the practice of calm-abiding meditation or single-pointed meditation, the text talks about, as we said before, preliminary and then actual practice, and what are the the obstacles that you might face when engaging in those 9 stages of calm-abiding meditation. So, so he just did the quoted from that text. To apply those 8 antidotes, in actual during the actual practice of meditation, in order to attain the result or to develop further, there are 5 obstacles, and those 5 obstacles begins with laziness. Laziness is the first one. That it's simply, the word says laziness, not wanting to do meditation. That kind of thought is laziness. And then second is forgetting the object of meditation. In some texts we just find forgetting. So the forgetting here, forgetting the instruction of how to do the meditation. The text or teachings, whatever that you have said. So if you're forgetting those instructions, then you are facing this second deterrent obstacle. And then third is, under third you find the 2 together, mental agitation and laxity, or mental darkness and mental excitement. Those 2 are the third. And then number 4 is not applying antidotes. So when you are actually experiencing problems such as dullness and agitation or excitement of the mind, you need to apply antidotes. Not doing that itself is a problem or obstacle. That is number 4. And then number 5, applying antidotes when they are not needed. Again, when there is no disturbances from mental laxity or agitation, and when your meditation is going fine, you just need to maintain that continuity of equanimity, or that good state of mind. You shouldn't be thinking about antidote. It's not needed at all. So applying antidotes when not needed itself is a problem. It's a deterrent. So those these are the 5 deterrents or pitfalls or fallacies. So going back to your the back of the page, which was explaining there, so it was easy in your chart. Again, that left side, faults of meditative stabilization and their antidotes. So you can see the matching of those 5 faults. So the 5 faults or 5 deterrents, the first one is laziness. For the laziness, what are the antidotes? You need to antidotes application of the first 4, that is beginning with the faith in meditation, second aspiration, interest or desire, and then third effort or exertion or diligence or enthusiasm, and then 4th is pliancy. Those 4 becomes antidotes for the laziness. And then forgetting the instruction. When there's a forgetting of instruction, what antidote needed is mindfulness. And when there's a non-identification of laxity and excitement or dullness and mental agitation, what you need is application of this introspective mind. And then when you face non-application, when you are not applying antidotes, when it is needed, what is the antidote? Just straightforward application of antidote. And then last one, 5th fault, over application. As said before, when you are applying antidotes when it's not needed, that is a fault. So what you need is just neutral, so that's equality. So that's how you match those 5 faults with 8 antidotes.
Oh yeah, that is kina duksiri. That namna pambu tamu te semni guji uswa. Semni guti tu tricky dupsar. Ani semni go to ichi jigna dupsar. But that deni ma sungu yin sungu de sha. tani chiti kana ta tambu top tik kare dina TV top, sambi top, tembi top, shivjen ko top, tundu che top, devi top ti tuku tere. Ta tani ta tiga ani pe top tuku tiga tani semni gata ta jabsar ti she burwa. She yundi kana tambu TV top chi semni tambu japa te trabi yungurware. Sambi top chi ani semni niwa ani jante japa te trabi yungurware. Tembi top chi ani semni samba ta semni samba ta tembi top chi semni samba ta javanika tokuyare rokuyare shivjang top chi semni ngawa ta tukwa ta damba sanga tokudu tondi che top chi semni jeba ta semni jeba chikun tokudu tondi ke toku jevi top chi semni gwa tokudu semni gwa topti ani ye che tangzhen chi yorwa she to din tati kanchi tigo tanda go semni go tata deshi jebu tigo tingen dala par yorwa she kare di gana kare lap ko yore din lamna shini la par yorwa she kare shini che to song ko sare tati chi ma sona
So we talked about those 9 stages of calm abiding meditation, and 9 stages of calm abiding meditation can be attained through application of 6 powers. Again, that is in your right side of that page chart. 6 powers, and those 9 mental stages can be included under 4 mental engagements. So that kind of chart shows you very clearly. So Rinpoche was kind of saying that. So I will just read it for the sake of easiness of all of us. So if you look at the 6 powers, you start from the bottom. Those 6 powers begins with the power of hearing. 2nd is thinking. 3rd, mindfulness. 4th is introspection. 5th is effort. 6th is familiarity. And again, reading from upwards from the first one is from the 9 mental abiding, setting the mind. Setting the mind is through hearing you establish or you accomplish the first one, setting the mind. Through thinking, continuous setting, and then through mindfulness, number 3rd and 4th, setting and close setting, and 5 introspection. Through introspection you attain number 5 and 6. Disciplining and pacifying, and effort you attain 3rd pacifying and making one point, and then 6th power familiarity. Through familiarity you attain setting in equipoise.
Ta TV to kita di desero samutana dendiro kita indareta TV to ci semni tambu tokre dinai ni katani sem jakwati tokre se korwa sem mukwala sanji kundala ta pa tajik sem ebaroti sheni dushe ko chikoso ko damno thibala teni titu yungre sini onjeta tase ko yes tani sabi tuji semni niwa dokre didingana sheni toshi ko thab toshi ko yongti ko chel yongti la anepe amu thiwa jine di nanton ro de la yani yang de anepe shener ko da samsung ki sheram ro ji topi toji semni niwa jenti japati yong topi ware se yedati samo tana dada ro ji yong ware ta tende yong ware yedati tu jin ta ramba ji ko semni go to ani top tikna datan ro ti tu jin ta she go luwa tu jin song tang go du tu jin na perna shivjin gu mari shivjin mari tembi to ji se temba dina da mungnam meje par jibi temba terwa shini gu mungnam meje par zambi man zambi temba tigu senni samba lenti japa tas ani nyevar japa ta ta nyevar japa ni udda to yung grese teni mukitani shorsona lamsa mukitana kharin jagaya to to temba to yung gore ma to ku mukitani shorsona te temba mundo sani yung gore yang chul mukitana kharin jakente ani temba jakke gore mungnam musun jakke gore teni mungnam te jesa te yartani par chiri ro tongse te tembi mungnam te yako zamde di gala ani ku mukwa ti ya chiri ro muhir ti ya chiri ro chiri tan chakarwa ya teni ro chini da semni kanga lo la stu sam tan na tanji yo ari da